welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's Saturday and it's the beginning of another vlog. It's currently 10 a.m. past 10, almost 11. I've been up since 6 a.m. I was working. I wanted to just finish a hair for a client because she's coming to pick up. And yeah, you guys, last night I don't know what happened. I think I had food poisoning. I fried sausages and eggs so we could eat with bread and tea, and yeah, that's all I had last night. And I think about 12 or 1 a.m. I can't remember because I didn't even really check the time. I woke up. I was even watching a YouTube video and I dozed off. The next thing, I woke up with severe stomach pain. Jesus, like I felt so weak. I thought I was going to faint. I felt so dizzy. I had to struggle to stand up from this bed to go and throw up because I was feeling nauseous. I had to go and throw up. I threw up everything I ate. I don't know what was wrong with that food. I don't know if it's the sausage or the eggs or the bread or the tea even. I don't know, but I had food poisoning yesterday. I woke up this morning, I'm feeling sick, but I still had to, finish that hair so I can send it to my client. Anyways, so I have a bride for this month. Happy new month, by the way. Jesus, I do wish you guys happy new month. Today is 2nd April 2022. Thank God for keeping us alive. So I have a bride for the 23rd of this month. She gave me her hair last week, so I'm supposed to work on the hair, prep the hair and bleach the knots, tint it and all that stuff. So but I want to go to the market to get some supplies. I actually need some products. I ran out of some products, so I'll just use the opportunity to buy the things I need for styling her hair. So yeah, I and my sister will be going to the market. She's not making the little bride's dresses, so she wants to get the fabric. The wedding is next month, so yeah, she's drawing closer. Actually, I think that's the agenda for today. And the Blessing's baby is not feeling well, so I want to go and see her after I'm back from the market. I've been feeling so lazy to edit this week. I don't even know what's going on, but that's what I was doing before I decided to start this vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Let me show you guys what I got. It's not a lot, but let me just do a mini haul. I got another dummy added to my collection. And then I got one. I got it in different sizes. I got my keratin milk, hairspray. I got a packet of body pins. I bought Hawaiian silk. I got silk comb, hair serum. I got more bobby pins in smaller sizes. I just bought a packet of this because I have more at home, so I just got 25 pieces. Yeah, and that's it. It is Monday. It is Monday and it's a new week.
Anyway, guys, I'm not happy as it is. Like, it's not been long. I woke up like an hour ago or 2 hours tops. I've not been able to sleep since last night. So Adesua Glam by Uwa, you guys have met her on my vlogs. She's the makeup artist I always go to do collab with. She was also in my picnic vlog. So last night she was involved in an accident, a car accident actually, and it's really bad. I haven't seen her, but I saw a video of her. It's really bad, guys. If you're watching this, please put her in your prayers. She really needs it. She and her friend Fanny is also like an acquaintance, and I know her as well. So if you're watching this, please put them in your prayers. It's really bad, guys. I've not been able to go and visit her. I am blessing, because I'm not sure they'll be accepting visitors now. So we are thinking of going there tomorrow, Tuesday or Wednesday, anyway within the week, to see what's up. But it's really bad. I couldn't sleep throughout the night. I was awake, like wide awake till this morning. I started sleeping around 11 a.m, 12, and it's currently 4 p.m. And I haven't even had anything today. Like, I don't even feel like eating. My tummy keeps rumbling. I don't know. I think I've been stooling since last night. I don't know if it's the fear or it's something else, but guys, it's not good. It's really not good. Like, I'm not used to all this kind. I hate bad news. I can't even deal with it, honestly. I'm in the kitchen right now. I want to see if I can make hot tea, because that's what I'm craving.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday, and I hate to bring this kind of sad news this morning. So we lost Fanny. We lost her yesterday, and it's been really hard. Gosh, I don't even know what she's going through now, because we haven't gone to see her. Blessing's baby is still sick, so currently I want to go and see her, and then if he's feeling better, I'll go and see her this way later today or tomorrow, unfailingly. But guys, honestly, Fanny didn't make it. It's just so sad how a young person was healthy, you know, full of life, just dies like that, just like that. God, guys, anyways, please just pray for her soul. Just pray for her soul. Let's just pray for God to accept her soul. And yeah, so it's been really sad. Yesterday has been really sad. I haven't been myself. I couldn't sleep last night. I was just tossing and I just couldn't sleep. So yeah, I just wanted to, you know, keep you guys updated on what's going on. I'm not sure I'm going to vlog when I go to see her this way. I'm not sure. I don't think it's right. Please pray for her. Pray for divine healing, because she's still at the hospital. I know by the time people are watching this, should have left the hospital and should be feeling better, but still, just pray for her to heal, you know. the pain she's going through, not physically, the emotional pain, the emotional trauma. You know, she was the last person to see her alive, so you can imagine what that is going to be doing to her right now. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hi guys. Okay, this is the afternoon. Welcome back to this vlog. Today is, what's today? Today is Friday, and I'm not home about blessings. So I went to see Adesua yesterday. You know, because she got back from the hospital a day before. Then we went to see her. Guys, she's not doing good at all. She isn't. But I'm just praying to God to give her the strength. And you know, yeah. So I just when we left there, I didn't bother going home because I didn't just feel like going home. I just wanted to stay over, and then we were scared. I don't even know why we were scared, but we didn't just want to stay alone. And then my sister was on night duty yesterday, so if I go home, it means I'm going to stay home alone. And Blessing's husband is not around as well, so I just decided to stay over. But I'll soon be going home. This is like past 12. Yeah, and I'm in the kitchen because I want to get something to eat. Then I will shower and go home because I have 2 weeks to style. And yeah, I'm hoping there'll be light when I get home. I've been trying to edit a vlog that's supposed to be going up on Sunday, but I don't know. I've not been feeling like editing. I don't know, this whole accident and death is just, you know, messing with my head, and I've just not been feeling up to editing, but I'm hoping I get it ready before Sunday. Today is Friday already, so I have today and tomorrow to round it up. I already started editing though, but since I woke up this morning, I've been watching movie. I started the season 2 of Bridgerton, and then I finished watching Is He Young, Rich, Famous and African, something like that, a reality TV. I just finished watching that this morning. Ooh, I got her this mug for her wedding. She just got real. I got her this mug for her wedding. I think I'm going to reuse it. Is it right though? Should I use it? I'm gonna use it.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
In case you're hearing any noise, ignore it. I think there's a church program going on right now, and my neighbor's kids, of course. So today is Saturday, and I've been editing since morning. Gosh, that vlog is so stressful. I hope you guys enjoyed regardless. I should be uploading it tomorrow, Sunday. Right now, I just want to do a little bit of cleanup. I've been really lazy today because they've not given us light since yesterday morning. I don't know, I saw on Instablog that the power grid is down. I don't know if because of the rain yesterday, but we haven't had light since yesterday. What? We have guinea fowls, like we have every animal around us. Can you hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear me over that, but I just want to quickly clean. Okay, so they stopped for a bit. Let me quickly rush this. So I want to clean now, and they've started again. Go to the market. So Nigerians, do not let somebody vlog in peace. So I want to go to the market and buy fresh tomatoes. I want to make this sauce. Is this stew? Yeah, it's stew. I made it for my friend, I think last month, and he wants me to make it again. So in case you don't know, I have a food page on Instagram, Rosemary's Cooking with Rosemary. Gosh, I'm missing them up.
Even though I post recipes there sometimes, I also cook for people personally. Not if you want me to make soup stew in bowls for you, I can do that for just a little token. So he contacted me to make stew for him. So I want to go to the market to buy what I will need to cook. After cleaning, I'll just shower and head to the market. It is Wednesday and it's almost past 11 ish. Yeah. So I'm on my way to Blessings. We have a video to shoot together. I just want to bring her to my channel for the first time officially. So it's a game, actually, just a game. So yeah, I'm going to her house now so we can shoot, and then later on we have a birthday party to attend. Is it a party? I think it's a dinner. Yeah, so I'm just going to dress up from my house and then we'll go there together. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing.
Hi guys! So we're ready, we're super late for
I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.